In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Amazon affiliate Facebook posts with n8n, Google Sheets, OpenRouter, and Gemini. Here's what we're building. A hands-free workflow that starts the moment you add a product link to a Google Sheet. n8n detects the new row, extracts the ASIN from the Amazon URL, pulls rich product details, writes a short, scroll-stopping Facebook caption, enhances the product image with AI, posts it to Facebook, and then marks the sheet as complete. By the end, you'll have a repeatable system that turns simple links into polished social posts. Let's walk through it from start to finish. First, create a Google Sheet with at least 2 columns, product link and Facebook upload. Connect that sheet to an n8n Google Sheets trigger so the workflow runs automatically whenever a new row is added. The next step uses a lightweight AI prompt to extract the ASIN from the product link, ensuring the workflow can reliably query Amazon's data. With the ASIN in hand, n8n calls a rapid API endpoint for real-time Amazon data, scoped to your marketplace, like US. From that response, it collects the product title, key features, the product URL, and a product photo. Using those details, an OpenRouter-powered node generates a short Facebook caption in a friendly, casual tone. It highlights the top benefit, includes emojis, adds a clear call to action, and appends your affiliate link with your own tag. To create a stronger visual, the workflow downloads the product image and uploads it to the Gemini files endpoint. Another AI node crafts a concise prompt tailored to the product type, asking for professional, realistic lighting, flattering angles, visible human presence, and a subtle cinematic grain. Gemini then generates a refined creative using the uploaded image and prompt. n8n converts the AI's output into a proper image file, waits briefly to ensure everything is ready, and then posts the photo to Facebook via the Graph API, using the AI-written caption as the message. Finally, the workflow updates the original sheet row, setting Facebook upload to done, so you can track progress at a glance. A few tips for smooth setup. Replace all placeholder API keys with your own, connect OpenRouter and Facebook credentials in n8n, and confirm your sheet columns match exactly. If a post doesn't show up, review n8n's execution logs, verify Facebook posting permissions, and check rate limits. Once everything is connected, just paste a new product link into the sheet and let the automation do the rest.